This is it, the last part of our Central Japan trip. It's been a fun and amazing adventure exploring different places in Central Japan. Starting from Nagoya, then made our way to the quiet and charming town of Takayama, where we got an awesome deal on winter clothes for as low as 500 yen. We visited the beautiful historic village of Shirakawako and see the stunning views of Northern Alps from the Shinhotaka Way, and soak in a private outdoor hot spring at Hirayo Onsen. Now, we're off to Nagano. From Hirayo Onsen, we're taking a bus bound for Matsumoto, where we'll staying for the rest of our Nagano trip. For 3 nights, we'll be staying at Premier Hotel Cabin Matsumoto, conveniently located right in front of Matsumoto Station. Arigato. Google Translate na lang namin kasi. Oh, diba? And here's the coffee. Naraijuku was once a thriving post town along the Nakasendo route, where samurai and travelers would stop to rest and recover during their journey between Tokyo and Kyoto. With its beautiful preserved wooden buildings and historic charms, it still feels like stepping back in time. Doon sa taas. Alas 3 na kasi.
Oh.
Sakto alas 3. Nagpatugtog.
Sinabahan ako. Kala ko nasa ano tayo.
Nasa?
Yung survival game.
Squid Game?
Squid Game.
Balik. Hindi, alas 3 na kasi. Kaya ka tinignan ko yung time.
Oh, kala ko may emergency.
Hindi, alas 3.
Good. Squid Game eh.
Ginagawa mo. Oo, susuungin ng ulan. Ayaw niyong umalis ah. Suungin niyo ang ulan. O eto. Pero kahit pa paano, may mga few shops na open. Kore. Hi.
Target locked.
Arigato. We arrived at Nagano Station, just an hour from Matsumoto, and to our surprise, snow began to fall. Ganito pala pakiramdam ng snowfall, and for a moment, parang nag-slow mo talaga lahat. It was our very first time witnessing snowfall, and the experience felt truly magical. I've been saving up for this moment, and I'm super excited to finally visit one of the places on my bucket list, seeing the 400-year-old cedar tree in Togakushi Shrine. After an hour of travel, we arrived at Togakushi Chusha. This is the nearest bus stop going to the upper shrine. We headed to the tourism office to rent winter boots, but unfortunately, wala na yung size ko.
Malaki.
Malaki. Thankfully, the snow on the road wasn't too thick, but with the temperature at 0 degrees and no shelter in sight, definitely hypothermia is waving talaga. After 30 minutes of walking, we finally reached the entry point to the main shrine. But before that, we decided to eat lunch at this restaurant. is a cozy restaurant known for its soba. After regaining our body heat, we started walking going to the Red Gate. Hindi rin kami nakapag-rent ng winter boots kasi walang katao-tao. Pero ang ganda. Ganito pala kapag winter wonderland. The next day, we headed back to Nagoya before our flight to Manila the following day. We're back in Nagoya. We stayed at Sanko Inn, conveniently located right in front of Nagoya Station. Akala ko may view. Kaso view pala ng pader. Walang ka-view-view. Here's the vanity area. May small rep din sila. Oh, extra pillow if you need. Amenities bar. Facial wash. May moisturizer cream. Body towel. And also amenities for coffee and tea bar. Ganito silang features or amenities. Ay, ito na kayo. May pa 10,000 yen cashback pa kapag bumili ka. Sony A742, diba? Ayun, no? 700. Nintendo Switch. Oh, yung cute naman ito. Ang sarap mag-type. 25. Ayun, hard drive. Magkano hard drive dito? Ito 2 tera. Nasa 11K yan. Yung 4 tera. Magkano? 23,000 yun. Magkano siya? 8,000 lang. Pwede na. Meron ako nito. Meron ako nito. Bili ang price ata nun ay nasa 11K. Ngayon, ito, magkano 23,000 yen sa peso? 8,500 ang mura. Hinahanap namin yung ABC Mart. Akala namin nasa taas siya. Nasa pinakailalim pala siya. May underground shopping mall kasi dito sa Nakone. Dito kami naligaw na first day. Oh. 2-1 lang to. Diba? Grabe. Yung Nagoya Station, guys, para siyang Shinjuku Station. Cartier, Dion, Louis Vuitton, Boots. At saka ang kaganda din ng skyscraper dito. And our merienda for today is bakdo. Pero syempre sa Japan. Check nga natin. Wow. Totoong may gulay. At hindi siya sagi. Ebi burger. Hot? Malamig pero nag-chocolate milkshake pa rin. Grabe ang thick. Ang thick na consistency, guys. Legit na milkshake. Sarap. Ito? Ang hirap pala dyan. Makukuha ba? Are you coming with us?
You